Good evening, class. I want to show you about shape. Alright, in Pizza Lab, I want to show you how to import shape on Pizza Lab. Alright, let's get into it. Okay. Now to import shape on Pizza Lab, we will use this plus icon here, and also we use a feature found on this option, this hexagonal. Now if you click on this hexagonal, options will pop up. All this is for shapes. If you want to import shape into Pizza Lab, you can use this one to import it, or you can also use this plus icon. Alright, let's use plus icon to see shapes. This is a shape, this is a square, and just in case if you want to import what you're looking for is not square, it's rectangular or another one like circle, you want to make another shape that is not square, you go to this place now I'm tapping, tap it, you see, you can make your choice from here. Alright, then here you see something like radius. This radius is all about the edges of the shape imported. If you want to make it to be curvy, if you want to make it to curve, you increase the bar of this radius. Now look at this, looking at this shape, why I increase the bar of this radius, you see the ends are curving, so that's the meaning of radius. You can use it to form circle. Okay, now opacity is the transparency of how transparent you want to make the shape just created. If you decrease the opacity bar, the text will fade, it will be fading. That is the visibility of a shape or an object. That is the opacity. Alright, see that now. Another one here is color. That is, if you want to change the color of the shape, you can choose your color here. The same thing as text. If the color you're looking for is not here, like you did in the text, you click on the plus icon to choose to form your own color. You form color from here. You can order form color by touching the color circle. Colors will be forming. This is the product here of whatever you're doing. This is the color they are forming. If you touch this place turns to red or to this color indeed. Then if you click OK, it means you're choosing this color now. See that? Alright, another thing you should also know that the gradient here, as we said on text, is same thing as the gradient here on shape. You can also choose your gradient. Like I said, in this part 1, it's just the basics. We're going to do more on gradient. Okay, so for now, let's just take the peripheral. Now this is stroke. Stroke means the boundary around the shape is just imported on Pizza Lab. The boundary around it. Let's see. If you increase the bar of this stroke width, look at this thing now. You see what will happen. A boundary will appear around it. An outline there. You see, it's black in color. I can change the color. I can also reduce the opacity using this bar. See that I can change the color of that outline. I can change the color to my own personal color. Okay, then these three options now is about the stroke just created on the shape. Look at this one now. The edge, the top of it is very curved. It's curved, so it means that as this blue box is on it, it means that the stroke will be curvy. Meanwhile, if you look at the stroke of this shape now, the edges are curvy. But if you want the edge of the stroke to look like this option here, that is the top will be straight, not curvy. You click on this one, you see the effect here. See the effect. The effect now is that the stroke are now sharp. Same thing happens here. See, this one is straight, very sharp. Okay, blur radius is to make the stroke to be blurry, meaning that it will not be that very visible. To increase the bar, the stroke will be fading away. It's not the same thing with opacity. Opacity will not make it to look like a fader. Opacity will just reduce the visibility. But what blur radius does that it makes it to look blur. You'll be seeing it, but it will be dull on your eye. You see that? See that? It's not the same thing with opacity. So that is about importing shape on PixelLab. Okay, after importing the shape on PixelLab, you can also use this icon here to change the color. To get this color, you must click on this shape. The options will pop up, then choose color. You can change the color of the shape entirely after creating it using the plus icon or the other one. Okay, I don't want to change the color now. You can also increase the size and decrease it using this left ball, this right ball instead. Increase the size, decrease it. You can also increase it or decrease it using the option here, relative size. Alright, okay. Then you can also add shape on PixelLab like this using this icon. You click on it, it will also take you back to where we came from, where we were. So the same thing we did, you can also do it here. Okay, so that is just for shape, the part 1 of shape. See you in the next class. Thank you.